Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we explore the secrets of intimacy, desire, and connection. Today, we're diving into a topic that often comes with a lot of mystery and curiosity: how to pleasure older women. If you've ever wondered what it takes to satisfy a more mature woman and keep her coming back for more, you're in the right place. Stick around, because we're about to reveal some key insights that will help you become the man she can't resist. 1. Understanding the mature woman. First things first, if you want to pleasure an older woman, you need to understand her. Older women often have more experience and know exactly what they want. They appreciate a partner who is attentive, confident, and genuinely interested in their needs. Unlike younger women, they're not looking for someone to impress them with flashy moves. They want a real connection, a man who understands how to communicate, both verbally and physically. Older women value authenticity. They've been through the ups and downs of relationships and know how to spot someone who's genuine. So, if you're planning on getting close to an older woman, make sure you're doing it with sincerity and respect. 2. Emotional connection is key. Pleasuring an older woman goes beyond just the physical. It's about creating a deep emotional connection. Emotional intimacy is the foundation of a satisfying sexual experience, especially for mature women. Here's how you can build that connection. Listen to her. One of the most powerful ways to connect with an older woman is by truly listening to her. Show genuine interest in her stories, her experiences, and her desires. Make her feel heard and appreciated, and you'll find that she opens up to you more. Be confident but respectful. Confidence is incredibly attractive to older women, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Show her that you're confident in who you are, but always remain respectful of her boundaries and desires. Engage in deep conversations. Don't just skim the surface with small talk. Dive into deeper subjects that interest her. Older women love men who can stimulate their minds as much as their bodies. Talk about life, passions, dreams, and experiences. These conversations can create an emotional bond that's hard to break. 3. Mastering the art of foreplay. Now let's talk about the physical side of things. When it comes to pleasuring older women, foreplay is not just a warm-up, it's a main event. For many mature women, the build-up is even more important than the main act. Here's how to master the art of foreplay. Start slow and steady. Older women appreciate a man who takes his time. Don't rush straight to the end game. Start with light touches, gentle kisses, and soft whispers. Focus on areas like the neck, shoulders, and inner thighs. Use your hands, lips, and even your breath to tease and build anticipation. Pay attention to her responses. Every woman is different, and what pleases one might not please another. Be attentive to her body language and sounds. If she leans in or makes soft moans, you're on the right track. If she seems to pull back or isn't responding, change your approach. The key is to be in tune with her body signals. Use all your senses. Don't rely on just one sense. Use a combination of touch, taste, sound, and even smell. Whisper in her ear. Tell her how much you're enjoying the moment. And use sensual scents like lavender or vanilla to create an atmosphere of relaxation and desire. Explore different erogenous zones. Older women may have a better understanding of their bodies and what turns them on. Don't just focus on the obvious spots. Explore her body slowly and pay attention to how she reacts to different touches. The back, lower abdomen, and inner arms can all be highly sensitive areas. 4. Focus on her pleasure. When it comes to the main event, the number one rule is to focus on her pleasure. Older women aren't shy about what they like, and they appreciate a man who's willing to put in the effort. Here's how to make sure she's thoroughly satisfied. Communicate openly. Ask her what she likes and be open to guidance. Don't be afraid to ask questions like, "Do you like this?" Or, "Would you like me to do something different?" Communication is key to understanding her needs and desires. Be patient and persistent. Take your time and don't rush things. Mature women often take longer to reach climax, but that doesn't mean they're not enjoying the journey. Stay patient and don't get discouraged. Persistence pays off, and when she finally reaches her peak, it'll be worth the wait. Experiment and be adventurous. Don't be afraid to try new things. Older women can be more adventurous and open to different experiences. Whether it's a new position, incorporating toys, or exploring fantasies, show that you're willing to be playful and explore new territories together. 5. Aftercare matters. Remember, the experience doesn't end after the climax. Aftercare is a crucial part of pleasuring any woman, especially an older one. This is where you show her that you care about her comfort and satisfaction, even after the main event. Cuddle and comfort. Hold her close, caress her, and make her feel loved and cherished. It's in these moments that emotional bonds are strengthened. Compliment and reassure her. Tell her how amazing the experience was and how much you enjoyed it. Genuine compliments go a long way in making her feel valued and desired. Listen to her needs. Sometimes she might want to talk, while other times she might prefer a moment of silence. Pay attention to what she needs in that moment and be there for her. 6. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, pleasuring an older woman isn't just about physical techniques. It's about understanding her desires, building an emotional connection, and taking the time to truly appreciate her. Whether it's through deep conversations, mastering foreplay, or focusing on her pleasure, the goal is to create a memorable and meaningful experience that leaves her feeling satisfied, cherished, and eager for more. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about creating deeper connections and better intimate experiences, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.